4 best Android OS for PC or laptop. So if you want the best Android operating system for your PC or your laptop, then first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, the first one is Bliss OS. This OS is known for its modern interface and flexibility. Based on newer Android versions, it offers a clean UI with options for both desktop and tablet mode. Gaming is smooth. You can play games like PUBG, Free Fire, and many more. The second one we have is Prime OS, which is built specifically with Android gaming in mind. It gives you a full desktop experience for mobile games. It has native key mapping for most popular games like COD Mobile, PUBG, and Free Fire. It's the best OS if you have 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. Next, we have is Sprite OS, a fast cloud focused OS based on Chromium. It brings Chrome OS, Android, and Linux together in one platform. It is not made for gaming, but casual games can run well. Key mapping is possible using different apps. It needs 4 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. Next, we have is Android x86. It's ultra light and perfect for very old and low end PC. It's best for casual games or app testing. For advanced gaming, you'll need third party tools. It not only comes with built in key mapping, but you can also use key mapping with different apps. It runs on 1 or 2 GB RAM and 4 GB of storage. It's very lightweight, it's open source and free. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.